So we have the glazed ink tempered glass, which we shall install on our OnePlus Nord 2 today. So in this glazed ink packet, this is a very interesting packet, very nice. So inside this we get the wipes. One is wet drive, another is dry wipe. As you can see, 1 and 2 is written, one is wet, 2 is dry wipe. So we have to proceed with our installation now. So first we have to clean the glass surface of the mobile phone with the wet dry. Then we have to dry it with the dry wipe. Then we have to start the installation of the tempered glass on it. Let me separate the two pouches. It's really wet. Some kind of spirit kind of material is there in it. So water kind of things are coming up from the wet wipe. So I think it is completely clean. So this is the dry wipe. We have to ensure that our hands are completely dust free. So in order to ensure that there is no dust left on the screen, we just have to tilt the mobile against light, and with the help of reflections we can see whether there are any bubbles or anything, any dust is left. We have to thoroughly clean the surface. I think we are done with it. Now this is the tempered glass. So we have to keep the tempered glass in such a manner so that we don't touch the inside of the tempered glass, and without touching we can hold the tempered glass from its sides while detaching the plastic pouch from it, and without touching the inside of the tempered glass and the surface of the phone, we have to align it properly. Now you can see it is automatically getting, I just aligned it and placed it properly over the screen of the phone. Now the tempered glass is doing its work, and I hope that we succeeded in installing the tempered glass bubble free. And if you see thoroughly, there is some bubble left here, negligible ones here, and a big patch here. So we have to press it with our fingers and make them disappear. So after a wait of 1 to 2 minutes, you can see that our installation is completely bubble free. I was experiencing some bubble at this portion, but now it has also completely gone. So this is the way of installing tempered glass on mobile phones. So now we shall go ahead with the installation of tempered glass on our iPhone. This is the iPhone 13, and we have ordered glazed ink tempered glass for iPhone 13. So additionally, for iPhone 13 I have also ordered a installation frame. So in the installation frame we have to just place the iPhone over the installation frame so that it would be easy for us while installing the tempered glass over it. So the same procedure we have to continue, start our work of cleaning of the screen of the mobile phone. So first we shall clean the mobile screen surface with the wet wipe. As you can see, this was the wet wipe. So while holding the phone with the installation frame, we shall take up the cleaning of the surface. Then we shall bring out the dry wipe from its pouch, and we shall continue with the cleaning. My son is requesting me that he will do the good work of pasting the tempered glass on the phone. I will let him do that. Please wait. So let me first ensure that the surface is completely clean, otherwise some bubbles may creep in later. I have to hold the tempered glass like this without touching its inside, then peel off the sticker from beneath it, and I have to carefully place the bus let it be like this. So the only bubble left is at this place, so my son will do the good work of removing it. Do that. Do it gently, don't apply much force, only apply the force which is needed for it. So did you enjoy doing it?
Yes,
How much?
very much.
Do you like the phone and the tempered glass?
Yes.
Say hi to our subscribers.
Hi.
Thank you. Similarly, after waiting for 2 or 3 minutes, I am showing you my iPhone 13. So as you can see, we were successful in installing the tempered glass over the iPhone 13 without any bubble. So you can follow the same procedure while installing the tempered glass and achieve the desired result as we did. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.